student, today we are going to learn about what is a proper fraction, what is an improper fraction, what is mixed fraction, and how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction and improper fraction into mixed fraction. So let's start with the what is a proper fraction. So here, so if you have any fraction where let's take one number 3 upon 5. Okay, so here if your numerator is less, okay, it is a less, and the denominator is more. Okay, so if your numerator is less than your denominator, then it is called a proper fraction. Okay, let's take one more example. If you have a number like 1 upon 5, okay, so if you see here, the numerator is less and the denominator is high, so here you can say this is a proper fraction. Very easy again. Okay, so this is called a proper fraction. Now let's learn about the improper fraction. So it is here totally reverse from the proper fraction. Here if you have a numerator is higher than the denominator, okay, so here numerator is a greater and the denominator is the less, so this is called a improper fraction. This is called a improper fraction. So this is a small number and this is a big number. Okay, so 5 is greater than 2, so in this case this is the numerator and this is the denominator. Let's take one more example. If I say 10 upon 3, so in this case numerator is higher and the denominator is less. Okay, so this is called the improper fraction. Okay, so now let's learn about the mixed fraction. So what is the meaning of mixed fraction? So if you have some number, let's say 4 1 upon 3, okay, so here this is your numerator, okay, this is your denominator, and this is called a whole number. Okay, this is a whole number. So here this 1 upon 3, okay, so 1 upon 3 we have already learned earlier. So this is the small number and this is a large number, so this is called a proper fraction. Okay, then 4 is a whole number, so this whole number system is called a mixed fraction. Okay, so let's take one more example. For example 5 1 upon 3, so this is also called a mixed fraction. I can say 7 2 upon 3, 5 1 upon 6, so this is all are the mixed fraction. So now you know the what is a proper fraction, what is improper, and what is mixed fraction. So how to convert basically mixed fraction into the improper fraction. So now let's take one example of this. Same thing, I can able to take 4 1 upon 3. Okay, so now if I want to convert this into the improper fraction, so what I can able to do it, see here I have to multiply these two numbers, okay, and the answer here I have to add 1. Let's say 4 into 3, okay, then plus 1, and the denominator will remain same. I don't have to change denominator, so my answer will be 12 plus 1 upon 3. So final answer will be 13 upon 3. Okay, so this is the converted mixed fraction into the improper fraction. So here you can see this is a big number, okay, this is a large number, and this is the denominator will be the small number. Okay, so this is an improper fraction. Let's take one more example to convert mixed fraction into the improper fraction. 5 upon 3. Okay, so here again I have to multiply these two numbers and add the output with the 5. So I can able to write 5 into 3 plus 5. Okay, denominator will remain same. I don't have to touch over here. So 15 plus 5 upon 3, which is equal to 20 upon 3. So this is again converted into the improper fraction. Let's take one more example. 3 1 upon 9. Okay, so here what I have to do, 3 into 9 plus 1, denominator will remain same, so 27 plus 1 upon 9, which is equal to 28 upon 9. Okay, this is all about the conversion of the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. So this is again easy, but now it is little bit a tough task over here. Convert improper fraction into the mixed fraction. So now let's take one example. If I am having an improper fraction 22 upon 5. So you can see here this is the large number and this is a small number. Okay. So my denominator is the small, the numerator is higher than the denominator. How do I convert this into the mixed fraction? So now first of all what I have to do, I have to divide this number 22 divided by 5. Okay, so now I can able to get the answer. 5 4s are 20, remainder is 2. So this is my quotient. Okay, this is my remainder. So now what I have to do here, I have to write it down quotient over here and I have to write remainder over here, and I don't have to change again the denominator, it will remain as it is. So my mixed fraction will be 4 2 upon 5. Okay, so now if you want to cross check this whether your answer is correct, we can able to do the same exercise which we have done earlier. So 5 4s are 20 plus 2, denominator will be 5. So my answer is 20 plus 2, which is equal to 22 upon 5. Okay, so this is my answer. So these both are the same, that means my this answer is correct. Okay, let's take one more example. 30 upon 8. Okay, so here again I have to divide 30 divided by 8. So 8 3s are 24, remainder 6. So this is my remainder, this is my quotient. Okay, so what I have to write it down over here, quotient I have to write it down here. This is a whole number, basically you can say the whole number, and remainder as a numerator. Denominator I don't have to touch, as it is I have to write it down. So my answer will be 3 6 upon 8. Again if I want to cross check, 3 into 8 plus 6 upon 8. So you can see 8 3s are 24 plus 6 upon 8, which is equal to 30 upon 8. Okay, so this is all about the improper fraction into the mixed fraction. So let's so for further video, stay tuned, stay safe, see you again. Thank you so much.